Nano Banana 2 just dropped, and honestly there is nothing that this model cannot do. It comes with the major improvements over the previous model. So in this video we're gonna look at some of the capabilities, and obviously I'm gonna share 3 free methods to use this model with the highest quality possible. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Now from the Google's perspective, you can use this inside of the Google Gemini, but there is a limitation of 3 to 4 generations a day, which is nothing. And also the image quality is only 1K, which is not the highest quality that we imagine from the Nano Banana 2. And if we go to the Google's AI Studio, it gives you some additional options to select the aspect ratio, which is not available in the Google's Gemini. And it also gives you the option to select the resolution, which is the 4K maximum. But the problem is you have to be a premium member to use this inside of the Google's AI Studio. But don't worry, I have 3 different websites where you can use it for completely free. And the first website is Love Art, and this video is not sponsored by any of these websites. I'm showing this because this is available. And if we look at their website, you can see they have recently added the Nano Banana 2, which is the Nano Banana Pro. And if I click on it, you will have the option for the designs. Now you just have to click on the new project and you will have this canvas in front of you. Now on the left side, you can see we have multiple options, like you can upload your own images, you can upload the video, we have the image generators and video generators, but we're gonna head over to the image generator, and from here make sure that you have selected Nano Banana Pro, which is Nano Banana 2. And now you can see we have the option to control the resolution, and the 4K is maximum. And from here you can also control the aspect ratio. So let's give it a simple prompt. A monk is meditating on a big banana, rocks around him, cinematic. And you can see it costs you 0 credit, which means this is free and unlimited at this moment. And hit generate. So here is the output, and now this monk is meditating on a banana. And you can change the canvas size, you can change the size accordingly, you can make it big, small, according to your preferences. And you can see the image quality is in 4K. This is much better than the Gemini image. So if I compare this with the Gemini image, this one is the 1K from the Gemini, and this is from the Love Art, which is 4K. And if I download this, you can see the file size is 14 MBs. Now again, you can head over to this plus icon, select the image generator, and if you want to upload any image, for example, I'm selecting this image, and from here make sure to select the 4K quality, select the resolution accordingly. I'm gonna go with the 16:9, and let's try to make changes to this image, like make this monk and banana floating in the air, and let's see what that gives us. And now this monk is floating into the air. So this was just a basic edit, and these are some of the more examples that I was trying before this video, like changing the background, all of the tasks that you can do inside of the Nano Banana 1, but much efficiently and much more better. Now here is the interesting one, because I just gave it a simple prompt to generate the CJ character from the San Andreas, and it not just generated the character but also the map inside of the corner, and also the dollars that we were mad to collect in the GTA San Andreas. Now the next website where you can use it is the LM Arena. So this is the basic interface of this website, and make sure to see these settings because this is a little bit of complicated to select the models from here. So first of all, head over to this arrow and select the direct chat option, and here you can see we have multiple different models, but you have to click on the image section, and from here you can see we have the Nano Banana Pro. So let's just give it a prompt, like give me the San Andreas version of this guy having a meal in the restaurant. And unfortunately we don't have the option to select the quality and the aspect ratio here, so this is the default one. So let's simply hit generate, and here is the output, and this is in the 16:9. And now we have the same CJ character having meal inside of the restaurant, and it also gives you the GTA San Andreas vibe. But if we look at the walls, the posters, we don't have any gibberish text that we used to see inside of the Nano Banana 1. The text is perfect, whatever it written, but the spellings are correct here. And also the image quality isn't bad. This is I think so 2K, but better than the Gemini image quality. And from the left side you can manage your chats just like the ChatGPT. So if you click on the chat section, you can see these are all of the previous chats that I have generated. So if I click on one of them, you can see these are some of my previous generations. I was testing few things by going back and forth with the CJ character where he's playing the football, but in all of these examples it kept the characters consistent. And I also tried some real life images of the character, and it gave me all of these images, which is great. Now the last website is unbelievable because this is from the Hailuo AI. So if we head over to the Hailuo AI website, you can see from the left side we have the Nano Banana, which is embedded in their AI agent. And you can do multiple things with it. You cannot just generate the images, but you can also generate the videos with this one. So for example, if I give it any image and ask it to generate a story of a girl who is finding her mother in a jungle, this will generate multiple different scenes, keeping the character consistent and not just generating the images. This will also animate those images and will give you a single output where you will have your movie kind of experience. So these are some of the websites where you can use it for free. And if you know about any other website, you can let me know in the comment section. And that's it from today. See you guys in the next one.